Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are gonna make some Jerusalem Artichokes fritters or pancakes or whatever you want to call it. And also we are gonna make homemade fresh spelt flour. I'm really excited. It's February now and I left some Jerusalem artichokes in the ground over the winter. The weather is on and off, sometimes it's freezing, sometimes it's sort of springtime already. So I decided I'm craving something not very healthy. It is healthy, but I'm gonna fry it, so sometimes you need something really nice and sort of naughty. So let's go, I'm excited. I don't have as much as I hope to have. These are true leftovers, but still good enough, so let's see what I can make from it. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cook it in the pressure cook for a little while, and I add some lemon juice in it. It should help with the digestions. And in the meantime, I grate some carrots. I've got some turmeric and also some ginger. Let's make some spelt flour. I've got the spelt flour grains here. It smells very nice. Look how nice and fine it is. Woohoo! Homemade spelt flour. I feel epic. I let the Jerusalem artichokes to be cooked outside. Then I grated them and mixed them with grated carrot, ginger and turmeric. I added some salt, pepper and also some marjoram, eggs and freshly made spelt flour. And it's ready to go to the pan for frying. Happy frying! Look at them! Wow! I'm using coconut oil. And here we are. I'm really pleased with the final results. Thank you so much for cooking with me. If you've got some Jerusalem artichokes lying in your garden, get and grab them, create something amazing. If you find this video useful, please share with your friends and family. Spread some love. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And that's all from me. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.